What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Hydraulic Engineering Tutorial YouTube channel. Today, we show experiment number 8, to find the value of velocity head, or to find the coefficient of a pitot tube. Apparatus. 1. A pitot tube. 2. A small rectangular channel, or a pipe, with water flowing through it. Brief theory. A pitot tube is a small open tube bent at right angle and is placed in flow such that one leg is vertical and the other leg is horizontal. Fig. 6. It is used to measure the velocity of flow at any point in a pipe or channel. It works on the principle that if the velocity of flow at any point becomes zero, the pressure there is increased due to conversion of the kinetic energy into pressure energy. The velocity of flow, v, is determined by measuring the rise of liquid, h, in the tube from the equation. In actual practice, the velocity head is multiplied by a constant k, the value of which depends upon the quality of the tube. Precautions. 1. Note down the readings accurately. 2. A pitot tube should be used preferably in pipes or channels with shallow water moving at high velocity, as good results are obtained under these conditions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hydraulic engineering contents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.